Welcome back to another episode of Easy-Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Today I'm with the LW-PX300 and I'm going to show you how to add simple serialized text to your labels. Now, before we get started, I want you to know that you can add serialized text to a detailed label, or maybe that's the only thing on the label. Either way, it's super simple to add that serialized text with the PX300. So let's show you how to do that. Now for this application, what I need T1 through T4. So all I'm going to do is add my T on there. So I'll go ahead and hit that on there. Now the serialized button is right here. You can see it says 1, 2, 3 in blue. And we know anything in blue, we have to use our blue shift key to access. So I'm going to press and hold the shift key and then hit the serialized button. Okay, now you'll see it says sequence number and says start. So all I have to do is enter in my starting number. My starting number is 1. So I just hit 1 and I can go ahead and hit return. Now I want you to know that with the PX300, it can only serialize 1 digit at a time. So you could certainly make that work for you if you needed additional numbers. If you needed 100, for example, you could make that work. But if you're doing a lot of serialization, you might want to look at one of the other printers might fit your needs a little bit better. So either way, for this basic serialized T1, the single digit is all that I need. So I'm going to go ahead and hit return. And you'll see that it has applied that to my label. It has the T and then it has the 1 and they have the little dots behind it. That's just letting me know that it's applied something special, the serialized, to this label. So if I save it and recall it, or maybe I share the printer, you always know that there's something special being applied to that. Okay, so again, if I needed to add anything else to my label, I could do that. But if I'm ready to print, I can go ahead and hit print. Now if I just push the print button, it's only going to print 1 label, but I need 4. So to print multiple copies, we're going to press this button here. It has 3 little pieces of paper. So I'm going to press that and it says print copies. So I'm going to hit return and now I can select the number of copies that I want, which is 4. So I'm going to hit 4 and return and it's going to go ahead and start printing. And 4. Perfect. I told you it was easy peasy. If you have questions on the LW-PX300 or any other printers in the lineup, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to chat with you. Thanks again and happy labeling.